Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you this is step by step how to use the Payoneer account to withdraw your money from Amazon, even if you are in Nigeria or any other country in Africa. So let me walk you through this step by step. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to your Payoneer account and log in. And if you guys want to know how to register your account on Payoneer, check the link down below. I've made a video about that. So let's sign into the Payoneer account here. So right now we're on Payoneer platform. So we want to scroll down and go to banks and cards. We want to go to receiving accounts. So these are banks. These are banks that you can use to withdraw your money from Amazon. So let's say you want to use the US bank here. You want to use this bank right here. So you just go down here and click view details. Then you should see all your bank details. So you want to copy all those details, your name, your bank name, and all that. Then go over to your Amazon account. So you are on your Amazon account right here. So you want to go here and go to account setting. Now you want to change our payment method. Then click that. Then these are my payment method here. So you want to change your payment method. Just click here, bank account, add bank account. There, we'll add a new bank account here. If you want to add new bank account, you can click there and add the name of your bank here, bank currency, account holder name, your account number, and confirm. Okay, then when you finish with all this here, click save, and that is it. Now anytime they will pay directly to your bank account, so you will receive it from your Payoneer account straight away. So that's how you receive your money in Nigeria. If you don't have a bank account in Nigeria, or you don't have any, or you don't want to receive your money using the Amazon gift card. So drop your comment down below, guys. Let me know what you think about this video. Subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.